Okay, we're going to take our 2 finished gourds and soak them in hot, soapy water for a little bit, about a few hours. Then scrub them, let them dry, and paint them. These are the gourds after they've been washed. You can see the color now of them. These are going to turn out really, really good. Okay, we're going to add a little polyurethane and some stain to these and see how nice they turn out. And here we have the finished gourds. Nice and shiny. And that's it. That's all there is to it.